सुश्री कंगना रनौत।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय जी, मैं आपका मेरी तरफ से और मंडी की जनता की तरफ से हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ, आभार करती हूँ कि आपने आज पहली बार मुझे इस सभा में बोलने का, मंडी क्षेत्र के विषय में बोलने का मौका दिया। महोदय, हमारे मंडी क्षेत्र में ऐसी बहुत सारी कला शैलियाँ हैं जो विलुप्त हो रही हैं। हमारे हिमाचल प्रदेश में जो एक घर बनाने की कला शैली है जिसे काटकुनी कहा जाता है, वहाँ भेड़ और याक की ऊनों से जो है विभिन्न वस्त्र बनाए जाते हैं, जैसे कि जैकेट्स हो गए या टोपियाँ हो गई, शॉल या स्वेटर्स बनाने के जो काम है, जिनका बाहर के देशों में बहुत मूल्य मिलता है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पे पूरी तरह से जो है ये जो एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहे हैं उनको बढ़ावा देने के लिए क्या कदम लिए जा रहे हैं। और साथ ही मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारे हिमाचल का जो संगीत है, खासकर जो स्पीति और किन्नौर या भरमौर के क्षेत्र में पाए जाने वाला जो ट्राइबल उनकी जो कपड़े हो गए, उसके साथ में जो उनके फोक फॉर्म्स है, आर्ट फॉर्म्स है, वो भी विलुप्त होती जा रही हैं, तो उनके विषय में क्या कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
सयोनी घोष।
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir, and congratulations to our Minister, sir. Sir, there has been a rampant increase of elderly passengers and senior citizens traveling by airline due to various causes like physical convenience and saving time. So, is there any senior citizen discount or concession available right now? If so, then details thereof. And if not, then will the Minister take into consideration any sort of concession or discount for senior citizens or measures for ease of commutation and easier access?
I would like to comment on behalf of the ministry, sir. Sir, definitely whatever best we can do for the differently abled community or the senior citizens of this country, we are going to do, sir. And I don't specifically have what is being done on that side, but I'll pass on the information to the honorable member, sir.
श्री दयानिधि मारन।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, honorable speaker, sir. Sir, we have a young dynamic
हम
minister.
तो आपको मौका देते हैं, लेकिन हम तो आपको मौका देते हैं, लेकिन बेटे बेटे बहुत टिप्पणी करते हो आप।
I apologize, sir. Sir, I'd like to congratulate our young and dynamic minister. We wish you very best on the part of DMK party. We really welcome you. Your father was a good friend of DMK. Sir, I have the habit of booking my ticket for Delhi online through Vistara Airlines, which belongs to Tata's, and the software is handled by Tata TCS. So this is seen, every time I see, when I book a ticket, it's around 33,000 rupees, sir, one-way ticket from Chennai to Delhi. When I go to make the payment, an error message comes. The moment the error message comes, the price goes to 93,000 rupees or 78,000 rupees. What? Yes, sir. Yeah. This has been happening because probably Tata TCS is using a supremacy in the software, and because we have so everyone's got a miles account, so we are logged in. So this is happening very frequently, even from Delhi to Chennai or Chennai. So this doesn't come under the DGCA rules, because DGCA is only in charge when the airline cancels a flight or reschedules a flight. But this is happening in software. Sir, there is a conspiracy happening. I would like you to do an inquiry, thorough inquiry, because Tata now is the monopoly in the business segment. So money is paid by the government of India. The ticket from
माननीय मंत्री जी, माननीय सदस्य ने बहुत गंभीर विषय उठाया है और ये बहुत गंभीर है, इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए। ये कई माननीय सदस्यों ने शिकायत की क्योंकि इसका पैसा पार्लियामेंट से जाता है, इसलिए मैं चिंता है।
Definitely, sir. We'll get the matter investigated, and also our senior member has mentioned, DGCA looks after the rights of the passengers and it dwells into that, and also there is DGCA traffic monitoring, tariff monitoring unit also, which looks after this specific issue that you have said. So we are going to investigate that. We are going to ensure that this kind of incidents doesn't happen in the future, sir. Thank you.
खाड़ी देशों में लाखों हमारे भारतवासी वहाँ रोजगार के लिए और व्यापार के लिए जाते हैं, जहाँ डोमेस्टिक तो 0.2% 3 महीने में हुई है और खाड़ी में 2%, मतलब 3 महीने में 60 फ्लाइट हुई है। तो कितने समय पहले आपने एयरलाइंस ने उनको इंटीमेट किया है, कितने यात्री इससे प्रभावित हुए हैं और कितने को नुकसान हुआ है ये मंत्री महोदय बताएं। जब एक इंडियन एयरलाइंस की हालत
ओके,
है तो
माननीय-
जितने एयरलाइंस हैं उनमें कितना
माननीय मंत्री जी,
हुई है और कितने लोग प्रभावित हुए हैं। एक इंडियन एयरलाइंस का
माननीय सदस्य जब एक बार पूछ ले तो माननीय मंत्री जी।
सर ये क्वेश्चन वैसे एयर इंडिया के हिसाब से पूछा गया था तो उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने दिया था सर। वैसे जो कैंसिलेशन और डिले की जब बात आती है तो अप्रैल और जून के बीच में, बिटवीन अप्रैल एंड जून ऑफ दिस ईयर, ओवरऑल सर ये क्योंकि ये विषय केरला के संबंधित था तो उसी का इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी रखा है। बाकी दूसरे पूरे देश का हो तो आप ज़रूर आपको बताएंगे, बाद में उसका भी वो सर्कुलर लेंगे। पर इसके हिसाब से सर अप्रैल में कैंसिलेशंस कुल मिलाकर 14 हुआ है सर अप्रैल में, मई में 132 हुआ है और जून में 18। तो पूरे मिलाकर तीनों महीनों में 164 कैंसिलेशंस हुए।
श्री केसी वेणुगोपाल।
The delay of the flights, is especially Air India and other flights also become the order of the day nowadays. Being a member of Parliament of Kerala, so many people are living in Middle East who are suffering through these delays. Sometimes the flight has been cancelled without any information. Then there is no cancellation charges also not giving to the customer. Once it is cancelled, his amount is also gone. Whether the government is studied these things and whether the government is forming to set up a system to monitor all these cancellations and what action the government is going to take. And one more thing, sir. The fees also. This our Kerala government themselves already given a memorandum to yourself. Entire MP has given memorandum so many times that the fare of the Gulf sector, the fare is very exorbitantly high. There is no justification. All over India, same pattern is there, exorbitant high. Whether any mechanic...
ओके 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 आपका
Sir, Air India, the honorable member who has raised, the senior member who has raised regarding the cancellations, and we acknowledge the fact that there has been one issue with the Air India Express, not Air India, sir, Air India Express, especially in the month of June. On May 7th of this year, sir, there are a lot of the crew with Air India Express, because it was merging with Air Asia. There was some internal issues that have cropped up, and there was a mass strike that has happened. Because of the strike, which is why there were a lot of cancellations that have happened also, and this we have seen in the month of May. And in fact, the earlier answer that I have given, the number of cancellations, there was a huge spike in May because of this issue. And once this issue started, it was a ministry which got involved, the DGCA facilitated a lot of discussions between the airlines, the crew members and everything. It was sorted, sir. But because of the gap that which for the 3 days, when the cancellations, when the crew was not functioning, there was another software glitch also which happened. Because of this software glitch, the crew member data which was supposed to be with the airlines, there was some problem with that, and then manually they were trying to enter. And so for everything to get back to normalcy, there was some time. But right now we are ensuring that there are no cancellations or no delays happening in the flight system. And like you have mentioned, sir, there are civil aviation requirements also. There are already regulations and guidelines which are in place, which will ensure that whenever there is a delay happening or a cancellation happening, and if the airline is not following the regulations that are being set up by the ministry, then the ministry gets involved, and it is ensuring that they get the refund or reaccommodation or readjustment done in other flights. And I'd like to take an example also. Recently, when Air India was not, when observed, we investigated and we observed that Air India was not following a certain guideline. We have penalized them for 10 lakh rupees. And this Air India Express incident also, this strike incident which has happened, DGCA is going into depth. It is investigating the issue. If there seems to be any non-compliance from the airlines, then definitely we are going to penalize them and ensure that the passenger is the top priority.
श्री प्रवीण पटेल। प्रवीण पटेल।